Welcome back to Space Engineers. I've changed it so we're now in a private session rather than offline, so that these menu systems still operate. Doesn't pause the game, so we can actually see stuff building up, which is useful to see whether it's doing what you're expecting it to do. So our next task is to take our ship that we've just built, albeit way too many thrusters, and we're going to take it to the asteroid and we're going to go and mine and put stuff into it so that we can have a more efficient mining operation. So we're going to go do some of that right now. And we're probably going to go around the back to where the nickel was and see whether we can get a whole bunch of that out. I think it was around here somewhere. I can never find it when I'm looking for it, it's the problem. That's not it up there, is it? Oh, don't hit the asteroid, it will cause damage. I'm just going to land the ship here because I think it's around it. I think it's there. Now, bear with me, I'm not good at landing. We'll go with that, that didn't go too badly. Right, let's jump out. Oh. Just want to grab my welding torch and just check for any damage, see whether I've done anything. All the landing gear seems to be in good condition and nothing seems to need repairing. That's good news. Now, I think this, yeah, this is my nickel mine. Excellent. Inventory is full. No, don't chuck it out. Oh. Dump that because we're about to kick all this out again. This is a much more efficient way to mine. I've lost the mine again. There it is. Wow, that is 3 loads of nickel now. And before, that would take us a long time because of all the flying forward and back, finding the place again. I've got as much nickel now as I've ever had, I think. Oh, you nearly got away. Right, I'm just going to do this for a couple of trips now. Oh. Get loads of this, and then I'll catch you up when we head back again. Okay, so I've done a few trips back and forth to there, and I've got nearly 10k of that now, which is more than I've ever mined in total, I think, of nickel. So, next thing I want to do is jump in here. Why can't I get in? There we go. Start that up again. There's the lift off. And I think I had a uranium mine around here someplace as well. I probably need to add some kind of ore detector onto this ship. Sure about that. Let's have a look, shall we? Could be it. There we go. There's iron ore over there as well. So I'm going to do exactly the same here. I'm just going to go and grab a whole bunch of uranium from in here and keep filling up the ship. And we'll go back with hopefully a full ship of ore, so we won't have to go back too many times. So I can pause it again. Okay, so I've mined out huge amounts in here, just collecting some of the remaining debris. And that will probably do us for a while. We've got a lot of fuel now. Still a lot more in this area. A couple of bits of uranium here. full again. Do the way out here. Which again is far in excess of anything I've mined up to now put together, so that will be brilliant. Poor old refinery isn't going to know what hit it. In fact, I might need to think about upgrading my refinery capacity. That's about all. Might as well just fill up this. For the trip out. Okay, pick up one or two bits on the way out. If I can find the way out now. There's so much tunnelling in here. That's not the way out. Ah, look, there it is. Got a stone on the way out. Don't need it, but I think it might be nice to try and find the silicon mine that we had, just because these seem to be the stuff that we're currently using. And the fact that we're over here, again, it just reacts a bit too much there. Anywhere around here, I think. I don't think it was in here, but let's just jump out and have a look at what's in here. A whole bunch of iron. Silver. We're okay for silver at the moment. Silicon. That'll do. Right, with the way out again. This is where I always get lost in these things. This gap's too small to fly the ship through. But we've done a whole bunch of mining. All we've got to do is jump in and grab it. We've got a couple of thousand spare capacity. Let's fill it with whatever we've mined in here. Big chunks of this. So just follow them right all the way out and left all the way back here. Again, that's not the right way. Oh my god, I'm lost. I didn't even go deep. I think it's just around here. No. I've got half my jetpack left now. Ah, I was really close. Gosh, how did I manage to not find that? There we go. So we got 7,500 litres out of the 8,000 litres available. So I'm going to consider that a mining operation completed. We're now going to head back and get this in the refinery. It's probably going to take a few trips to get it out of here into the refinery. So I'm going to do all that, and then I will come back with the conclusions of our first mining trip. Okay, I just landed. Did slightly scrape the ship as I came in, but very, very gently. Just double checking for any damage. Everything looks okay. It's a fairly robust little ship, this one, I think. So no problems. Just got to check the cargo. Right, I'm going to start offloading. It's going to take ages now, so that's one trip. There's another trip. You get the idea. So leave me to this. I'll get all this into the refinery. So the refinery is practically full up now. Just moved a whole bunch of nickel into the assemblers. We got loads of nickel in there already, so I can just think about getting some silver in there as well. Silver is that one. Any other silver? So I need that. So there. Start producing silver, and I will move it into the assembler, and that allow me to make the additional, I think it's 3 or so that I need 3 for, so we'll get on with that. So these 40, we've got 4, so that's going to take a little while. Well, some good news is we've now produced enough silver to produce all 3 of our medical components, so we can now attach them to the another 2. I thought we were there. Oh yeah, we'll move one at a time. There we go, that's all 3, and now we have fully intact operational medical centre, which means I can now finally get myself up to full health and full energy. So I think we might as well leave it there. I think I'll carry on moving all the equipment or the ore into the refinery, get the refinery to finish refining it. It's a very slow process. I'm beginning to think that maybe I need a second refiner, but we'll see how we go. I'll probably think about actually moving our base, making a station which is possibly nearer that asteroid that we've just been mining out, and that makes a bit more sense. A bit easier to get ships in and out of and stuff, because as you can see I kind of crashed and damaged the ground. Damaged the ship, but suddenly broke the area where I landed on. So I think in the next episode we'll think about getting some steel plates together to start building a station. So thanks for watching and join me for that.